Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anel Lewis. If this is your first time here, come on in, have a seat. It's my first time in a while too. Before I get started, let me just say I hope everyone is being safe out there and remembering to social distance, and know that we'll get through this. So yeah, today I'm bringing you an unboxing slash initial reaction to something I purchased from the RealReal. Guys, this is my first time buying something pre-loved, and when I tell you my anxiety is through the roof. The condition was described as moderate scratches and tarnished at the hardware, minor marks and residue at the interior. So basically good condition. So I'm a little nervous. Let me stop talking and let's get to it. The package came inside of a box. And the receipt here, what is it? What is it? I already know what it is, but you guys don't. And here it is. Voila. Uh-oh. This is called the Louis Vuitton Vintage Monogram Trousse Toiletry 23 pouch. I like it. This is what it looks like. See the zipper. Oh, there is a lot of tarnish here. Can you guys see that? Let me focus. Okay, the zipper's not that bad. This is the inside. Can you guys see that? All right, there we go. There are some marks up here. So this has three, what is this, elastic styled holders for your makeup. And it has one pouch here. It says made in France. Day codes. Oh, there you go. It says March 86. So that's cool that I have a piece from my birth year. That's pretty. That's pretty awesome. That is really cool. Not that mad about the zipper anymore. I did buy some cleaning products. I did watch a few reviews on YouTube on how to make this brass a lot shinier. I'm gonna try that later on today, so stay tuned for a video. But the exterior is like a marks like right here. That's cool. It's not terrible. It's a little, it has lost a lot of structure. It doesn't stand up on its own. Guys, stay tuned. I'm gonna clean this off really quickly, desanitize it. Stay tuned for a video. And I'm so excited I was able to add this in my collection. All right, guys, that is it for me today. Again, remember to stay safe out there. Remember to social distance, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Hey guys, I really wanted to come in and insert this quick comparison between the Trousse Toilette 23 and the Toiletry 26. As far as the length, they're the same length. I don't know the exact measurements, but these two are the same in length. But in width, you can see that the Trousse Toiletry is a lot wider. Thank you for tuning into my video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.